Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Flix app to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is getting the app code downloader to your Firestick. So if you already have the loader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course just follow me. So we have to go to search on the Firestick, go to search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it. And here is that orange application, which you gotta get to your device. But then after you actually got downloader, it's not over yet, because obviously you still have to set it up on your device. So now to set up downloader, we need to go to settings by clicking that little button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. And from here, you have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then there's no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So now just go to developer options, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging. After that, head to install unknown apps. And from here, what you gotta do is locate downloader and turn this option on. What it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we just go back to a list of apps on your device. Let's do that together. Here it is, we open it. And there is the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using the downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Poland right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So just go back to a list of apps on your device, let's open it, then locate downloader, and finally open it up. It's time to use it. Then just open the search bar, and from here, in here, you'll have to enter the code, which is gonna be 24151119. So again, it's 24151119. That is the code you have to enter. Then just click on go And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you just click install and wait a bit until the installation is fully finished. After that, do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on the Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the Firestick. And now when you go back to a list of apps on your device, open it, wait a moment until it loads, and now there at the bottom you will finally see Stream Flix. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote now. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.